Dear students, let's continue the lesson of Vedic civilization. So now let us discuss about the Vedas. So Vedas are the very important religious and social text of the Aryans. So the word of Veda is derived from the Sanskrit word Vid. So what is the meaning of Ved? Ved means to know. And the Vedas what are the things Vedas contains? The Vedas contains the hymns, explanation of the rituals, and ways of meditation and melodies is contains in the Vedas. And there are four Vedas are there. Which are that four Vedas? Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda. So they are the four Vedas. And these Vedas are the main source of knowledge about the Vedic civilization. So now let us continue one by one. So first let us continue the Rigveda. So the Rigveda it deals with the knowledge. Rigveda is deals with the knowledge of the hymns, of praise for the recitation about the god and goddesses. And the Rigveda is the oldest and the largest Veda. And this Rigveda contains 1028 hymns in the praise of god and goddesses. And these hymns, the 1028 hymns, are recitated during the ritual sacrifices like a yagnas. So then, which are the god and goddesses they were worshipped? They worshipped Surya, Varuna, Indra, and Agni. Are the god of the Vedic period? They were worshipped this god. And even the Saraswati divine. Saraswati is a divine river in the Rigveda. How we are worshipping the Ganga is a divine river now. In the same way, so during the Vedic civilization, Saraswati is the divine river in the Ganga. And so Gayatri mantra in Rigveda is dedicated to the deity Savitri. See, these are the Vedic goddesses, god and goddesses. Surya, Varuna, Indra and Agni are the gods. Saraswati is the divine river of the Rigveda. And even Gayatri mantra was dedicated to the deity Savitri during the Rigveda. So now let us discuss about the Samaveda. How the Rigveda deals with the knowledge of hymns of praise for the recitation. In the same way, the Samaveda deals with the knowledge of melodies for chanting. So this is a collection, this Samaveda is the collection of melodies of 1549 stanzas. And these melodies of 1549 stanzas were sung during the special priest called a Udgrits. So who is Udgrits? So Udgrits is one of the four priests in the Vedic sacrifices. You may observe here in this yagna, they are performing the yagnas. So Udgrits is one of the four priests in the Vedic sacrifices. Then what the other three members are? The other three are Otri, Adarya and Brahma are the other three, but Udgatri is the special priest was reading or chanting the melodies of the 1549 stanzas. So who has sung that melodies? sung by the special priest called Udgatri. So now let's discuss about the Yajurveda. So Yajurveda is the book of sacrificial prayers. Yajurveda is the book of sacrificial prayers. It deals with the knowledge of sacrificial formulas for public worship. So this Yajurveda consists of the prose mantras, and it was recited by the priest while performing the ritual practices like a yagna. So you may see here. So these sacrificial formulas for the public worship. So this Yajurveda consists of prose mantras. The prose mantras were to be recited by the priest while performing the yagnas. And the Yajurveda consists of 1875 verses. Rigveda consists of 1028 hymns. Samaveda consists of 1549 stanzas of melodies. In the same way, the Yajurveda consists of 1875 verses of prose mantras. So now let us discuss about the Atharva Veda. You may see here yagnas. So Atharva Veda deals with the knowledge of the magic formulas. Yajurveda deals with the knowledge of the sacrificial formulas, but Atharva Veda deals with the knowledge of magic formulas. So the hymns in the Atharva Veda contained in the Veda deals with the karma. Karma means here not a sin. The karma means action. Upasana. Upasana means invocation. And jnana. Jnana means knowledge. So Atharva Veda, the hymns in the Atharva hymns contained in the Atharva Vedas, karma, upasana, jnana. And it has a 760 hymns. The Atharva Veda consists of 760 hymns, and it consists of 600 mantras. And the Atharva Veda also carry a religious explanation of hymns and practices. So now let us discuss about the Brahmanas. Each Vedas have one or more Brahmanas, and these are the Brahmanas are the important social and religious explanation of the rituals of the four Vedas. And these Brahmanas indicate the values of sacrifices, whatever they are practicing, such as the yagnas. So these Brahmanas indicate the values of the sacrifices. And the Brahmanas are like a commentaries on some of the hymns which were consist in the Vedas. And these commentaries are help us to realize the importance of the hymns. And even in the stories and legend are also included the Brahmanas. Even the Brahmanas are also called a Aryankas. So these Brahmanas were emphasized morality and meditation and were mainly for the students and those who are living in the forest. Now let us discuss about the importance of Vedas. So Vedas are the most important source of information about the Vedic civilization. These Vedas are not only giving the information about the Vedic civilization, it also gives the information about the religious practices, and also it tells us about the social and economic life of the peoples. And during the Vedic civilization, how the literary excellence reached the peak, and the Aryans' educational system as well as their music and melodies are became to know through the Vedas. So these are the importance of the Vedas. So in the next class, let us continue the different topic. Thank you.